Hey guys, here I have this sunshade umbrella for my car that I received from the seller. It comes in this box and it has this nice bag. Check it out. Material looks really cool. It's black from one side and very light from another. Works. It works as an umbrella with those flexible edges. Looks like total blackout shades. Let's put it inside my car and see the result. This is what it looks like from inside the car. As you can see, no light whatsoever coming from outside. Nice and dark in here. Let's take a look from outside. Looks nice and clear. Very clean and sits well. I expect this compact but durable umbrella sunshade will protect my car during summertime from overheating inside, will keep my steering wheel and seats cool and nice. Thank you for watching.